Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. We are coming to that time of the year when Makarshankranti or the kite festival is approaching, and we're all thinking of making chikis. We all love chikis, but we know that the sugar content is very high. If we try to make it with less sugar, it crumbles and you won't get a lovely crispy chiki as you would with using the right amount of sugar. I have modified the recipe to use less sugar but still maintain the crispy taste of the chikis. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.
Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in enough water to cover it. Instead of chia seeds, you can also use takmariya or sabja seeds. Take almonds, pistachio, cashew nuts, unsalted peanuts, sesame seeds, and raisins and chop them into small pieces as shown. Then transfer it to a bowl. After measuring it, I had 1.5 cups of it. Mix it well and add just a little over half a cup of brown sugar to it. Instead of brown sugar, you can use white sugar or jaggery. Add 1/4 cup of desiccated grated coconut, cardamom and nutmeg powder and cinnamon powder. Then add the soaked chia seeds. Mix it all well together. Take a small portion of the mixture in your palm and roll it into a round shape. Place it on a greased baking tray and flatten it with your fingers. Repeat with all the mixture. After you used up all the mixture, place the trays in an oven and bake at 120 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Allow to cool and then separate it from the baking tray. Transfer it to a serving plate and enjoy the crispy low sugar chikis.